This is the elevator at 100 Wallace Avenue here in Sarasota. Oh, it's a Mowrey, very early one with GAL. Let's go to 3. Okay, let's go to 1. Not an ADA phone, something fell out. Let's view the cab, pretty basic cab. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor?
3, please.
Just interested in elevators, I just ride them as a hobby, that's all.
Cool.
Do you know how old this one is?
You should be able to look at the certificate.
It doesn't say.
No?
It just says the...
Expiration.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't any idea.
Oh.
Be interested to find out.
Alright, well, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
There's Mowrey elevator, and there are your GAL fixtures. Alright, now take a look at this. It's got a bumper. Yeah, and it's got an electric eye. There's your call station. Lantern lights up. One more trip up to 3. We'll make go. Let's wait for the door to close. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, heading back down?
Still playing with it?
Yeah. I'm gonna get off on 1 though.
Have you gone all the way down Main Street and checked out a lot of them?
Uh-huh.
There is the neatest elevator I was in. It's actually the address is 1819 Main Street. It's called the Sarasota City Center, and it's all glass.
Oh, I rode those already.
Yep.
Those are fun.
Yeah.
Well, have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
And there it goes. That's gonna be it.